Temporary pride is forever. Dad, what are you doing? I'm expressing myself. Like, executive order, die, zombie! No, that's not the kind of expressions we're talking about today, Dad. Oh, how about this one? Time to die, rot! No, that's that is an expression, but I think you're playing a little too much of that Black Ops stuff with the zombies in it. Oh, this probably too. But we're here to work on some expressions. You want to help us out? I would love to. I've been in front of this TV for 16 hours. Yeah, I think you need a little bit of break. Me too. So we're going to write some expressions here. And for instance, this one says 3 minus the product of 3 and a number x. And what I showed you before, Dad, is that you just basically write it like you see it. So I say 3 minus the product, that means multiply, of 3 and a number x. So that would be 3 and a number x, and there's the product, because they're multiplying each other. Oh, that's simple. Let me try. Yeah, go ahead, try on this one. Okay, we have 2 less than the product, that's multiply, of 1 and the number x. Actually, believe it or not, we have a weird rule here, Dad. Oh no, you and your rules again, ruly pants, ruly pants. No, I mean, there's a one rule, it's called than. When you see the word than, that's called a switch word. A switch word. You gotta switch the order around. That's the only time it's gonna look a little different, is when you see than, because than is a switch word. Switch word, got it, kinda like when I start doing the whip, but then I switch to the nay-nay. Yeah, kind of like that. So instead of 2 minus 1x, it's going to be 1x minus 2. And then also in algebra, you don't have to write 1x, because look, it's just 1x. Oh, makes sense. 1x. Let me try. Look, ready? Ooh, ready? The sum of 3 and the product of 3 and a number x. Oh, you kind of, I see you wrote it really literally. It's the sum of 3 and, so basically this and is going to separate your expression. So it's the sum of 3 and, so the sum of this and the product of 3 and the number x, which is 3x. So you got that part right. You can't just write it left, right to right, because that would just be kind of weird. And I'm weird, everybody knows that. That's right. So let's look at another. Oh, let me try. Let's see here. 10 more than the product of 3 and the number x. Ta-da! Well, remember, Dad, don't forget than. What's than? Oh, yes, it's the switch word. Kind of like when I'm putting my hands in the air, but then I switch to hit the quad. Yeah, that's right. You put your hands down low and hit the quad. Yeah, that's right. Yes, I love that dance. Woohoo! All right, well, let's go back to this again. Remember, than is the switch word. Switch word. So that means we have to switch these around. So this is actually 3x plus 10. Now, honestly, this and this are the same, but let's not get confused. Just remember that than is that switch word. Okay, hopefully I'll get it. All right, do you want to try this one? Yes, I got it. The sum of, okay, wait, I know there's plus in there somewhere, because sum means plus. The sum of 7 and the product, it means division. So 4 and the number x. No, product doesn't mean division. It means multiply. Remember, like multiply? Product, multiply? Oh, yeah. Let me fix that. Hold on a second. 4x. Yeah, now you got it. So now here's the sum. The sum of, which sum means add, right? Of 7 and, remember, and also means add. 4x, because 4 and the product of the number x, or product of the number 4 and x. Like this. Let me show you one more, Dad, because so far you haven't got one right, but that's okay. Let's keep working here. So 6 minus the product of 2 and the number x. So 6 minus the product means multiply. So of 2 and a number x. So if I'm finding the product of 2 and x, here it is. The product multiply 2 and x. So here is 6 minus the product of 2x. Alrighty, I got it. Let me try again. Okay, here we go. The sum, that means add. So I know there's going to be add in there. Of 4 and product means multiply 1 and the number x. Ta-da! Okay, you are just about on the right track. You got everything. Here's the sum of 4 and 1x. But remember, in algebra, do we need that 1? Oh yeah, we don't need that. So it's, let me try again. 4 and x. Ta-da! Yep, that's pretty much right. Good. All right, how we doing here? You want to try this one? Hopefully you'll get it without any mistakes. Yes, let me try. 10 more than, that's going to be more than is plus. So 10 more than the product, let's multiply, of 3 and the number x. Ta-da! Well, this time, remember, Dad, than means it's the, oh my goodness, it's the switch word. I forgot again. It's the switch word. I'm supposed to switch these around. It's kind of like when I'm eating toast in the morning and I switch to eating nachos. Yeah, kind of like that, Dad. Yeah, switch it around. You start with one thing, but you switch it. So it's actually 3x plus 10 because of that word than. That than is that switch word. I think we got a couple more here. So let me show you this one, ready? And then hopefully you'll get the last one correct. So it's the sum, that means add, of 8 and the product of 2 and a number x. So your sum of 8 and, here's where we put the plus. So it's 8 and, because it's sum, the product means multiply, 2 and a number x. So the product of 2x looks like that, 2 times x. So it's 8 plus 2x. Make sense? Oh, yep, got it. Last one, let me try, please. Okay, sure, go ahead. Alrighty, here it is, here we go. 8 less than 8. Oh, wait a second. I see the word then. And that means I'm going to have to switch because it's a switch word. Yes, Dad, you're getting a little... Have you had a little too much Dunkin' Donuts coffee? Yes, Dunkin' Donuts all the way. All right, so 8 less than the product of 4 and the number x. So try again on that one. All right, so if I went 8 less than the product of 4x, I can switch because of then, so it's going to be 4x minus 8. Did I get it right? You actually got it right. Yay! Can I go back to playing Black Ops now? Oh, killing all those zombies? Yeah, I guess you can. Don't forget to put your teeth back in. Oh yeah, that's why I sound a little different today. I don't know if you noticed. Oh yeah, I totally noticed. So don't forget, everyone, this than is the switch word when you're writing algebraic expressions. Write it out like you see it, but don't forget some of these words, right? Sum means add. We know product means multiply. Quotient means division. We didn't see much of that, but these are the most common. And we'll see you guys in class. Bye-bye! Toodaloo!